Something has entered our solar system, a colossal, ancient, and mysterious body. But this time it's not just a comet. The first records show metallic reflections pulsing beneath its frozen surface, as if energy were flowing through it. Some scientists claim to have seen hexagonal patterns engraved on it, formations impossible to occur naturally. And some even say that 3I Atlas emits faint, almost imperceptible signals, frequencies that resemble a form of communication. Its name is 3I Atlas, and according to estimates, it's 7 billion years old, older than the Sun itself. If that's true, we're looking at something that existed before our star ever began to shine. Something that might not have been created by chance, but by a mind. But what exactly is 3I Atlas? A simple comet wandering through space? Or something far more enigmatic? Perhaps an ancient alien technology, forgotten in the shadows of the galaxy. There are indications that its core is made of metallic alloys unlike anything known on Earth. And its rotation is so stable, so precise, it seems designed, not formed. Astronomers report that the object subtly changes direction, as if adjusting its own trajectory. Some believe it carries an embedded intelligence, an ancient program that still operates. Others think it's pure coincidence, a trick of gravity and numbers. But no one can explain why the universe would create something so perfect and so unsettling. It all began on July 1st, 2025. The Atlas Telescope system in Chile detected a faint but fast-moving point of light. Its trajectory simply didn't make sense. As scientists observed, the object accelerated and changed direction with a pattern almost deliberate. Comparing data revealed something chilling. It wasn't from our solar system. The astronomical community went on alert. Within 72 hours, the confirmation arrived. It was an interstellar object coming from beyond. And most astonishing of all, it appeared to be following a precise route, as if it knew exactly where it was going. Some experts began calling it the visitor that knows the way. Before it, there were only two others. The mysterious Oumuamua discovered in 2017 and Comet 2I Borisov in 2019. But 3I Atlas is different, radically different. While Oumuamua measured about 400 meters and Borisov reached 1 kilometer, Atlas spans 11.2 kilometers in diameter, a true cosmic monster. Measurements show it's 30% denser than a typical comet, meaning its core might contain something solid, maybe metallic, and sensors detected periodic electromagnetic pulses, something never seen in natural objects. If it were on a collision course with Earth, it would mean the end of civilization. But what if that trajectory is only the beginning? What terrifies scientists most is not its size, but its age. 3I Atlas is believed to have formed 7 billion years ago, before the Sun was born. That makes it a fragment of the primordial universe, a floating capsule of cosmic time. Some call it the rock of creation, others the witness of the abyss. Each particle may hold clues to the origin of matter, space, and perhaps even life itself. But the mystery goes further. Why is it moving so precisely toward the inner solar system? Coincidence, or was it sent here for a purpose? And what if we are the final destination, Studies suggest that 3I Atlas came from a distant and nearly unreachable region of the Milky Way, the galactic thick disk, an ancient territory filled with dead stars, forgotten radiation, and dust from vanished worlds. A zone of silence where time itself seems frozen. If Atlas truly came from there, it means it has traveled for billions of years through emptiness, crossing galaxies and civilizations alike. Perhaps it witnessed the birth and death of suns, and the rise of species we will never know. But why now? Why did this colossal visitor cross the cosmos to reach Earth at this exact moment in human history? Coincidence, or the fulfillment of a cycle that began before we existed? Some believe it's not just coming, it's returning. Among the scientists studying it, one name stands out: Avi Loeb from Harvard University. The same man who once suggested that Oumuamua could be alien technology. Now facing 3I Atlas, he once again challenges the scientific community. According to Loeb, there are signs of artificial movement and patterned reflections, as if responding to light stimuli. He suggests Atlas might be a lost probe, sent billions of years ago by a civilization that no longer exists. Some call him a visionary, others a lunatic, yet even skeptics can't explain certain anomalies. Why does 3I Atlas rotate so perfectly? And why do its gas jets activate in synchronized bursts, as if obeying invisible commands? So far, no one has an answer. In August 2025, the James Webb Telescope was directed at 3I Atlas. The mission was simple: analyze its chemical and structural composition. But what Webb recorded raised even more questions. Unofficial sources claim the object emitted regular bursts of energy every 11 minutes, as if transmitting a signal. And the reflected light spectrum didn't match any known type of rock or ice. Some scientists believe a metallic layer lies beneath its frozen crust. Others suggest something even stranger: a hidden artificial structure. For now, NASA remains silent about the results. But behind the scenes, many whisper that Atlas might not be a natural body, but something built. By late October 2025, 3I Atlas will reach its closest point to the Sun, disappearing behind it for weeks. During that time, it will be invisible, unreachable. But what if something happens during that period? What if, when it reappears, it's somewhere else? Or sending something we can't yet detect? Some believe Atlas uses the Sun as a shield, hiding its true trajectory. Others fear that its proximity could trigger something inside, a programmed awakening. The truth is, until December, no one will know what's really happening. And when it becomes visible again, the world might not be the same. Because if anything changes, we could witness humanity's first real contact. Even if it's just a comet, 3I Atlas carries the oldest materials in the universe, particles born before Earth, before the Sun, before any known life. Studying it could reveal secrets about the origins of everything. But if the boldest theories are right, if it is alien in origin, an ancient probe crossing time and space, then we're about to face something that could change our understanding of the cosmos forever. Some say it's a messenger, others a capsule carrying the knowledge of a lost civilization. But there are those who say something far more chilling, that 3I Atlas has been here before, long before we existed, and now it's returning. And this time, it may not be alone. Time is running out. Every second, 3i Atlas draws closer to the heart of our solar system. Observatories worldwide are ready. But what they're waiting for may not be what they expect. Perhaps 3i Atlas is not an ancient rock, but a cosmic messenger, silent and patient. Maybe it has crossed the stars for eons just to be seen now. And if that's the case, humanity is about to discover something it will never forget. Because maybe we were never alone. This is File 005, and whatever 3i Atlas truly is, it's coming.